Hello students, today we shall learn about questions and answers. Most of our communication contains questions and answers. So it is very important to learn formation of questions and formation of structure of answers. Look at the following sentences. Sentence number 1. Here is a picture. I ask you a question. What is this picture? Is this a tree? Yes, it is. Now, mark that there is a question mark at the end of the question. So there should always be a question mark in writing the questions. But while speaking, how do we consider question mark in speech? We use asking tone, interrogation, asking type of tone of speaking. For example, what is this? This is a tree. Is this a tree? Question. Yes, it is a tree. Now, mark here, is this a tree? If you are right, yes, it is. Here is comes past. It is a tree, or this is a tree. It stands for this. This is a tree. This is a tree. Thus, the position of this or it and is reversed here. Always mark it well that the position of verb is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, can, may, always comes first. While asking the permission to come in the class, you ask a question to your teacher. How? May I come in, sir? May. May I come in, sir? May. May comes first. So, in interrogative or question type of structure, these words come first to the noun or pronoun. We may ask the question in a different way. Is this a tree? Yes, it is a tree. Is this a tree? Yes, it is a tree. Second question, is this a ball? Is this a ball? No, it is not. Then, what is it? What is it? What? Question word. What? We have several other question words. Who? Who are you? What are you doing? Where are you living? Why, when, what, who are question words. Sometimes question begin with question word. But it is always followed by this type of auxiliary or helping verbs. What is it then? Now, is it? Answer, it is a balloon. Is comes first in question. What is it? It is a balloon. So there is a reversal of pronoun it or noun tree and the verb, helping verb, auxiliary verb. Helping verb or auxiliary verb come first. What is it then? It is a balloon. It is a balloon. Next question. Is this a cat? No, it is not a cat. It is a flower. It is a flower. Is this? It is or this is? This is a flower or it is a flower. Oh, one. Next. Is this a rat? Is this a rat? No, it is not a rat. It is a bat. Or this is not a rat. This is a bat. Is this? This is. Is it? It is. In question, the position is reversed. Secondly, always put in question mark at the end of the question. If you are to answer by yes or no, if you are to answer by with the help of yes or no, always put a comma or pause in speech. Yes, it is. No, it is not. No, it is not. No, it is not. Like that. So there comes always a comma after yes or no. There comes always a question mark at the end of the question. The position of it is reversed. Is it or is this? Let us go to the next. 5. Is this a balloon? No, it is not. It is not a balloon. What is it? It is not a balloon. What is it? What question word? What is it? It is a kite. Here we have question mark at the end of the question. Position is this? It is or this is? Is it? It is or this is? What is it? It is a kite. Is it a kite? Yes, it is a kite. Now here is not can be shortened as isn't. It is not. O disappears. We put apostrophe, comma like it is called apostrophe for absence of O. Shortened form. Why do we use shortened form? So we use shortened form for our convenience, comfort. No, it is not. Or no, it isn't. 6.1. Is this a dish? Is this a dish? No, it is not. What will be shortened form? No, it isn't. What is it then? It is a fish. is it? In answer, it is. What is it? Question. It is a fish, not a dish. Is this an apple? Is this an apple? No, it is not. What will be shortened form? No, it isn't. Is this a mango? I do not ask question with question word. I ask beginning with is. Is this a mango? Yes, it is. As we can shorten is not, so we can also shorten it and is. But shorten it is turns into its, it apostrophe s, cannot stand alone. We should say it's a mango. How? Is this a mango? Yes, it's a mango. We cannot say, yes, it's. That is incorrect. Now we have another form, its. There is no apostrophe here in its. What is the difference between these two? It apostrophe s is the shortened form of it is. It is. I disappears and comes comma here. But its is different from this. It is not shortened form of it is. It means of that. How? Suppose I ask, what is the color of this mango? What is the color of this mango? Answer, the color of this mango is yellow. Suppose I want to answer in short, I say its color is yellow. Its color of it. So this its stands for of it, color of it. Is this an apple? No, it is not. No, it isn't. Is this a mango? Yes, it is. Yes, it's a mango. Next, is this a spoon? Yes, it is. I may ask, what is it? It's a spoon. I can use. It's a spoon. Here, is this a pin? Is this a pin? Yes, it is. Or in shortened form, I may say, yes, it's a pin. It's a safety pin. It is a safety pin. So, dear students, always use question mark at the end of the question. Secondly, always use helping verb is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do or does, may, shall or will to ask the questions. Always put comma after yes or no. Reverse the order. Is this? This is. Is it? It is. Practice these question answers and try to answer in a correct way. Thank you.